Every year we continue to experiment, and we've been getting caught by the changing climate in Pennsylvania, specifically with our turbans. And so this year we made the decision to plant our turbans extremely late. How late? Well, we planted on my birthday, December 28th. Popped one up out of the ground today. It's Valentine's Day, February 14th. And as you can see, planted 45 days ago. Massive amounts of root growth and good stem growth. Remember, when you plant your garlic, it's going to keep putting root down as long as the ground isn't frozen, and you'll get top growth above 40 degrees. It's been a very mild winter, as it has been for many of the last few years in Pennsylvania. Garlic's looking good. Hope yours is too.